Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is series 24 Ecotech Fusion Intelligent Ideas. Come, let's go into the video. The first topic for today is about the wheelchair, smart wheelchair with robotic features. Yes, now here this is a smart wheelchair which has been integrated with robotic features that combines traditional mobility, support with advanced robotics, artificial intelligence and sensor system. So the aim is to create an intelligent multifunctionality mobility devices that not only help specially abled individuals move independently, but also assist in performing daily activities such as object handling, communication, and environmental control. So here, this system can include autonomous navigation. So here with obstacle detection and path planning, voice and gesture controls or joystick-based control system. And there is a robotic arm for tasks like picking up objects, opening doors, or eating. This integrates with smartphone home system to control lights, application and doors. And also it is having a health monitoring functionality and emergency alert mechanism. Moving on to the innovation highlights, there are some future innovation where there is a AI decision making, that is it uses LiDAR, ultrasonic sensors and cameras for real-time environment mapping and obstacle detection, and also it uses ML algorithm to predict the user's needs. Self-charge solar charging, so it includes or enables the wheelchair to autonomously dock and recharge using a smart station, where it includes neural and emotional aware assistance, that is it controls via voice, expressions, eye movements or even brain computer interface. Then remote operation and modularity. So remote operation is nothing but it syncs with mobile apps for remote operating, caregivers and also home automation. So moving on to the next topic. Yes, IoT pediatric dashboard integration. So here what happens is this integration with pediatric dashboard, it is an IoT driven baby care system that enables a real-time health data sharing between the baby smart monitoring system and pediatric interfaces. So now here it allows the doctor to remotely monitor the baby's vitals, sleep pattern or cry behavior and environmental conditions, say room temperature, humidity, air quality via a secure cloud-based dashboards. And then the system acts as a continuous digital health record, replacing infrequent hospital visits with consistent insights. So the pediatrician can receive remote consultation or remote alerts on abnormal readings, viewing the trends in the baby's development, and even schedule remote consultation or health issues or advice through a connected app or portal. So moving on or thinking about the innovation highlights, as you see here, the pediatrician can view the baby vitals like heartbeat, breathing rate, body temperature, and with smart algorithm, they can detect the deviation from typical growth and health pattern and recommend medical intervention. So there is a two-way communication happening which enables the video or audio consultation, prescription generation, and health report sharing through a secure portal. And also it seamlessly integrate with electronic health record, that is EHR system, for storing and accessing the baby's long-term health history. So finally, the pediatrician receives AI generated health insights, that is if the baby's body exhibits some abnormal sleep cycle, irregular vitals or high crying frequency. So all this can be viewed in the data board, that is the dashboards, and graphical data can be shown in the trends of different features. So moving on to what would be the future thing that can be developed is, yes, blockchain security, multi-baby monitoring, wearable integration, where integration of ML models can be help to predict the potential health issues, and there is a scalable dashboard to monitor multiple babies in hospitals, and also it ensures that sensitive baby health data is securely shared with permission pediatrician only. That is why we call it as blockchain data security. So the doctor can access the dashboard at any time from mobile apps, tablets or desktops, improving the availability. So now the future version can include wearable biosensors or genetic health indicators for holistic monitoring. So finally, with AI-based scheduling, they can schedule a routine checkups based on data trend and automated follow-up prompts. Moving on to the next topic for today, that is additive manufacturing of SNBI alloys. What is SNBI alloys? Yes, additive manufacturing, particularly the selective solar melting, that is SLM, and inkjet printing is gaining momentum for fabricating the tin bismuth. That is why we call it as SNBI, tin bismuth alloys used in electronic soldering and low temperature interconnects. So in this process, the material is deposited layer by layer, and the cooling rate between the layers significantly influence the microstructure, mechanical strength and reliability of the final part. So in SNBI alloys, the cooling rate directly affects the phase distribution, grain size and intermetallic components. So the rapid cooling can refine the structure and suppress the coarse BI segregation, while slow cooling trends to allow larger grain growth and potential formation. So understanding the cooling behavior during additive manufacturing leads to tailored mechanical properties, optimized electronics, and then longer life cycle in soldering application. So moving on with innovation highlights, yes, now we can see about the sustainable focus. So this sustainable focus is achieved through layer-wise thermal management, that is where the thermal control is happening at the micro level during the additive manufacturing to precisely influence the microstructure development. And also it enables the creation of functionally graded solder joints by varying cooling rates across layers. Based on microstructure customization, this controls the biphase morphology and dispersion using cooling rate modulation in real time. So, seeing about the cooling rate control, optimized electronics, thermal management and sustainability focus, yes, there is a smart AM system, that is additive manufacturing system with AI controlled cooling, where it uses machine learning to predict the optimal cooling profiles, and flexible electronics manufacturing, where fine cooling control allows the deposition of bismuth solders on flexible substrates, and integration with 3D printed PCMs, where it can serve both structural and conductive elements in fully printed circuit boards. So there is a customization also allowed, where it can be explored and optimized for rapid solidification behavior using AI platform. So moving on to the next topic for today, secure online voting for marginalized communities. So empowering marginalized communities through secure online voting leverages blockchain technology to provide accessible, transparent and tamper-proof electoral participation for groups often excluded due to geographic, economic and social barriers. So this system ensures that the voters from remote, rural or disabled or minority population can securely cast their votes online with privacy and integrity guaranteed. Blockchain's decentralized ledgers prevents vote manipulation, while enhanced security features like biometric authentication and end-to-end encryption protect voter ID identity and prevent frauds. So what would be the innovation highlights that we could see is, yes, biometric authentication. So it ensures immutable and transparent vote recording, boosting trust among marginalized voters, and it is accessible with mobile or web apps designed for low literacy, multiple languages and assistive technology to cater to differently abled users. So with this biometric authentication, it combines fingerprints, facial recognition or voice authentication with blockchain secured identity movement. And offline voting integration, yes, it is a hybrid model, secure vote that captures even in-low connectivity areas with later synchronization to blockchain. So this community awareness and education modules, it is embedded within the platform to teach voters about their rights, voting process, and blockchain technology. So future extension is all about expanding the access via satellite that ensures reliable internet access in remote areas. Then there is a AI-driven accessibility enhancement where there is a personalized interface adapting to cognitive and physical abilities, and about the legal frameworks, that is the development of international standards ensuring marginalized groups' participation rights. And then about the real-time transparency. Yes, the community can access the platform to track the election progress and build trust in the results. So through the blockchain IDs or biometric authentication, about empowering the voting system, with all this future extension, there is voting that can also facilitate the access to other essential services like banking, healthcare, etc. So hope you are interested to know more about such topics which will help you in different aspects. If there is any questions, please comment. We will clear you. Please stay tuned for more information. Thank you.